what those stinky white chunks of ball coughing out of your mouth really are. Many of us have noticed that yellowish white chunks from the back of the throat that smells awful. These chunks are signals of poor health. They are called tonsil stones, or tonsillolets, which can be found on the back of the throat. They are formed when the mucus, debris, and trapped dead cells harden or calcify, becoming a yellow or white ball in the tonsil pockets. Sulfur-producing bacteria forms hem, and it depends on the tonsil stones collected in the vault of tonsils. The odor they give is awful, and that is one of the reasons your breath smells bad. How can you treat it? Using non-alcoholic mouthwash or gargling salt water can reduce this issue to the minimum. You won't need those costly moth sprays.